Good morning, ma'am. I'm Jane Claire Bisescu and I'm the first reporter. So the topic we are going to discuss today is environmental crisis and sustainable development. The learning outcomes discuss the origin and manifestations of the global environmental crisis, relate everyday encounters with pollution, global warming desertification, ozone depletion, and many others with a larger picture of environmental degradation. Examine the policies and programs of government around the world that address the environmental crisis. The world's leading environmental problems, the depredation caused by industrial and transportation toxins and plastic in the ground, changes in global weather patterns like flash flood extremes, snowstorms, and the spread of desert, overpollu- overpollu- overpollution and mining, waste disposal, catastrophe due to the excessive amount of waste from plastic to food packages to electronic waste, the destruction of million-year-old ecosystem, and the loss of biodiversity, destruction of the coral reefs, and the massive deforestation. Deadly acid rain as a result of fossil fuel combustion, toxic chemicals from erupting volcanoes. The depletion of the ozone layer protecting the planet from the sun's ultraviolet rays due to chlorofluorocarbons in the atmosphere. Urban development destroying farmlands, increasing traffic gridlock. Pandemics add other threats to public health. Man-made pollution. The major difference between natural and man-made air pollution is that continuous or temporary natural events cause natural air pollution, but human activities are responsible for man-made pollution. We can prevent natural air pollution from sources like volcanoes, but we can reduce man-made pollutants and their consequences, respiratory diseases, acid rain, and global warming. So the air pollution. Air pollutants are gases and particles that harm people or other life, damage materials, or reduce visibility. Some air pollution comes from volcanic eruptions, forest fires, and hot springs, but most is the result of human activities. Power plants, factories, cars, and trucks emit carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen, nitrogen dioxides, and particulate matter that consists of fine particles suspended in the air. Burning oil, coal, gasoline, and other fossil fuels is a major cause of man-made air pollution.
So, good morning everyone. I'm Irish Makey Valencia and I'm the next reporter. So, air pollution effects. So, dili na nakabasahon ang nasa PPT kay malangan ta. So, dito na ako explain. So, air pollution from both natural and human sources harm humans and the environment. So, ang air pollution, ang effect ani makaharm ni siya sa humans and also sa atong environment. Pollutants like particulate matter, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide cause respiratory problems. So, kani sila is makakause of respiratory problems, and it also damages our organs and contribute to acid rain. Lead contamination from various sources further affects crops, livestock, and human health. So, have global warming. So, global warming is caused by an increase in greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, trapping heat in the atmosphere. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels are the main driver of these increases, leading to rising global temperatures. While natural sources contribute, the scientific consensus points to human activities as the primary cause of the observed warming trend. So, ang primary cause sa global warming is ang mga binuhatan ra pud sa nato nga humans. Have catching up and getting real with the climate crisis. Addressing the climate crisis requires a whole of society approach, but governments must lead by honestly communicating the severity of the threat. Instead of merely promoting green policies, government need to proactively explain the depth and consequences of the crisis to the public. This requires a bold, courageous effort to get real with the public about the necessary changes. Next, we have illegal logging. The harvest, transportation, purchase, or sale the timber of violation of laws. The harvesting procedure itself may be illegal in including using corrupt means to gain access to forests, extraction without permission or from a protected area, the cutting down of a protected species, or the extraction of timber in excess of agreed limits. So, illegal logging involves the harvesting, transportation, purchase, or sale of timber in violation of laws. This includes gaining access to forests through corrupt means, cutting protected species, or exceeding agreed upon timber extraction limit. The, the illegal activity undermines sustainable forestry and often has severe environmental and social consequences. This is mining. Mining is the process of extracting valuable minerals or geological materials from the earth. These materials found in ore bodies, lodes, and veins, or placer deposits, are of economic interest and are extracted using various methods. Mining plays a crucial role in providing resources for various industries, but also has significant environmental and social impacts.